Here we're getting set up and figured out how to get all of our information over to Fusion Team for our CNC project. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download this CNC template out of the Autodesk Fusion folder. Download the CNC template and just save it on your computer or Chromebook. We're going to go back to Autodesk Fusion. We're going to go download the image file that we're going to grab. So I'm going to search an elk silhouette. And we're going to learn a couple things here. We want to find one that we can use correctly. So our first step is to pick images. And that gives me access to this tools over here. A lot of these are for sale. So I want to go to usage rights and go Creative Commons license. And this is the one that we're all going to use. These are still for sale. These are the ads. This is the one that we're going to use. So I'm going to put 2 fingers down and click or right click on this and hit Save Image As. And I'm going to put that on my computer as well. I'm seeing that they're saving to the desktop. So I'm going to hit Save. So I got these 2 files downloaded. Now to get them in Fusion, I have to get them in Fusion Team. So again, I'm going to go over to the Autodesk Fusion folder. I'm going to click on Fusion Team Online Access. So I got to get in my team in my Google Drive. Here is my Fusion Team. I'm looking for that Woods folder that I made. And I've done this a couple times, so I have them sitting here already, but I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to hit Upload, File, and I'm going to look for that template and hit Open. I'm going to upload again, File, and I'm going to look for that picture, that download, Open. So now I have those 2 files in and available for Fusion Team.